Water level indicator circuits are used in factories, chemical plants, electrical substations, and in other liquid storage systems. Electronic water level circuits have the capability of alerting if there is a leakage somewhere inside the container. It can detect the water level and alert us from different colors of light bulb. This system can be used to measure the fuel level in motor vehicles and water level in the water tanks. Here in this circuit, LED of 3 different colors have been used to indicate the water level in the tank. In this tutorial we will see how to make a water level indicator using Arduino Uno, LEDs and resistors. This is the connection diagram of our project. We have connected the positive terminals of red, yellow, and green LEDs with Arduino's pin number 1 to 9 through 1 kilo ohm resistors. Negative terminals of all the LEDs are connected to the ground pin of Arduino. 10 kilo ohm resistors are connected in series with each other. One end of this series connection is connected with the A0 pin of Arduino. Another end will remain open. Pin A0 is also connected with the 5V through a 10 kilo ohm resistor. A black wire is connected with the ground, is used to close the circuit when sensor is dipped inside the water. This is the code of our project. int val. Val is an integer type variable. It will store the value of sensor output. Void setup is a function that will run once, as soon as the program starts running. In this project, we will give high or low signals to the LEDs connected at pin number 1 to 9. So we will make pin number 1 to 9 and output pins. Void loop. This function continues to execute the code written inside it over and over unless we reset the Arduino hardware board. Analog read A0. This function will read the analog voltage at pin A0. As the water level will increase in the tank, value at A0 will decrease. If the value at A0 is greater than 978, then Arduino will turn on the red LED 1 and other LEDs will remain off. If the value at A0 is greater than 937 and less than 978, then Arduino will turn on the red LED 1 and 2, and other LEDs will remain off. If the value at A0 is greater than 896, and less than 937, then Arduino will turn on the red LED 1, 2, and 3, and other LEDs will remain off. If the value at A0 is greater than 855, and less than 896, then Arduino will turn on the red LED 1, 2, 3 and yellow LED 1, and other LEDs will remain off. Similarly, other LEDs will glow with increase in water level. When water level will decrease, then LEDs will turn off one by one, according to the water level. Now we will write this code on Arduino IDE compiler. After writing the code, we will save the project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Our code is now transferred to the hardware successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. First of all, we will take 10 kilo ohm resistors. We will bend both of their ends so that we can easily insert them in the holes of the PCB. Now we will take a dotted PCB and solder the resistors in series, one by one. Now take a tin wire and solder it on the PCB. Now connect a red wire at the first resistor, blue wire at the joint of first and second resistor. Connect a black wire with the tin wire. Now we will take 9 1 kilo ohm resistors, 3 red LEDs, 3 yellow LEDs, and 3 green LEDs. Connect the LEDs on the PCB. We will first solder the red LEDs. Connect 1 kilo ohm resistor at the positive end of each LED. Now we will solder the yellow LEDs. Now we will solder the green LEDs. Connect the negative terminal of all the LEDs with each other, using a tin wire. Now connect a black wire with this tin wire. Now we will connect the second end of each resistor with the header pins. Now connect the red wire of sensor with 5-volt pin, blue wire with the 0 pin, and black wire with the ground pin of Arduino. Now we will connect the LED module with Arduino. Now connect its black wire with the ground pin of Arduino. Now we will power up our project and test its functionality. We will use a plastic jar as a water tank. We have used a water tap at its bottom to release the water. We have put the water level sensor inside the jar. Now we will fill the jar with the water. As the level of water increases inside the jar, LEDs will start glowing one by one. Red LEDs showing low water level, yellow LEDs are showing medium water level, and green LEDs are showing that water tank is full. Our circuit is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help or to clear your doubts regarding your project, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To buy the items used in this project, you can visit our website www.erroltech.com. You can give us the orders on WhatsApp also. Thank you so much.